Hi friends, in this video I will explain you uniform motion and non-uniform motion. What is uniform motion and non-uniform motion? Before that I have explained you what is a motion, the movement of a body from its from its initial position is known as motion. So here we will know that there are two types of motion, that is uniform motion and non-uniform motion. So if a body has if a body travels equal distance in equal time interval no matter how shall this time interval may be. Such kind of motion is known as uniform motion. It is known as uniform motion. Okay? Let me explain you this. This is a definition. Just take a graph between distance, this vertical line is for distance and this is for time. Okay, so a car is running at a constant speed of 10 meter per second. We will cover a 10 meter in every second. For example, I am saying that a car is traveling for 10 meter per second. So it means that a car is traveling 10 meters in every second. Okay, so how can we plot a graph by showing this? It means that the distance and time is changing uniformly. So the distance time graph shows a uniform motion. And what about non-uniform motion? A body, if a body travels unequal distance in equal time interval so such kind of motion is known as non-uniform motion. Just discuss this. For example, I will explain you. Suppose that a ball is falling or a ball is dropped from a roof of a tall building. Okay, suppose that this ball is falling from a building. This is a building. I have thrown this. So as you see, this ball is coming down due to gravity, as we know. So when the ball is falling down, the ball travels unequal distance in equal time interval. So if we plot a graph such that this is a distance and time, so what we will found that there is unequal distance. So what we will, so the graph is in such a way, sorry, okay, so this kind of graph is known as non-uniform motion. Okay, thank you.